Alright, today I'm going to share with you how to set up your Genesis Classic management system for commissions for your producers. You're going to go to Utilities, you're going to go to User Setup, then you will go to Commission Settings. Here you will have the choice to pay your commissions, all policy types the same commission, or you can choose to set up individual policy types for an individual commission amount. You can pay your commissions a flat amount, a percentage of the premium, or a percentage of the commission. If you've already gotten your users set up in your system for commissions, you can simply move this card over and you'll see the old commission amounts there. You'll want to transfer those over to the new commission card. Once you close out the commission card, those will be hidden again. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.